Hello, this is Susan Poss with Spartanburg Community College. We are continuing our work in section 5.2. This is the third video. This one is called the power of a quotient rule. And again, it's just an extension of the power rule. So this time when you see the word quotient, you know that we're talking about something that has division in it. You can see this a to the m power divided by b to the m power. Notice that the bases are different bases. One's a and one's b. But you can see, I hope, that this is going to be an extension of the previous rule. We're simply going to take the exponent on the outside of the end of the parentheses and use it to multiply by each exponent on the inside of the parentheses. So we're going to be working on both the numerator and the denominator to make sure that all those exponents get multiplied together. All right, so let me see. I think I'll try to work this one down here while you can still see the rule before I scroll. So this is x over y squared inside the parentheses. You'll notice that the bases are different. Otherwise, I would try to simplify if the bases were the same, but they're different. And you see I've noted that that x in the numerator has an exponent 1, and then the exponent 5 sits outside the parentheses. You're going to see me multiply that 5 by that 1, and you're also going to see me multiply that 5 by the 2. All right, so this is going to become x to the 1 times 5 on top, and this is going to become y to the 2 times 5 on the bottom, which is going to be x to the 5th divided by y to the 10th. And again, you have to stop there because these bases are not alike. If they were alike, I would do some simplifying. All right, let me scroll up and do one more. This one has a number in it, and you need to be extra careful with these numbers. Notice that, again, I have called to your attention that this 2 is raised to the power 1. Notice that the bases are different. One is a base A, one is a base B, the other one's a base 2, of course. And you're going to see me again take this 5 on the outside of the parentheses and multiply every exponent on the inside of the parentheses by that 5. So let's see what we get. This becomes 2 to the 1 times 5 times A to the 4 times 5, all sitting over the base B to the 3 times 5. So this is 2 to the 5th, A to the 20th, and B to the 15th. And remember, I told you when you're working with a numeric part, if the number is not too terribly large, you want to go ahead and do the calculation on that. And that would be a good place to stop because, again, one base is A and one base is B, and you cannot do any simplifying there. All right, so these are some that were just in here for practice. Let me scroll up just a little bit. Let me enlarge just a little bit if I can. There we go. And maybe you can take some time to freeze frame and practice these to see if you can end up with the same answer that I ended up with. Let me pull that back down so you can see my arithmetic out here. On this one I had to raise 6 to the 4th power. So this is me out here raising 6 to the 4th power. And you'll notice on this one that after I got all the arithmetic done, there was a common factor, so I did some cancellation there to get that reduced down to its lowest, simplest form. All right, so I'm going to stop there.